Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis, and as you can tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, this channel is for crypto trading. Now, I've been trading and learning crypto for close to 3 years now, and within this time I've taken loads of courses and watched hundreds if not thousands of videos, and I've always come to encounter one particular problem. Like, I've not seen a course or a channel specifically dedicated to crypto trading. In the financial market, I feel like crypto trading is one of the most underrated, so which is why I'm creating this channel, because all the courses that I've taken, I've always seen all these coaches, they will tell you this course, this is my strategy, you can use it for any financial market. But I'm like, okay, fine, but can I get something specifically for crypto? And the answer is always no, because all they always have is forex, index, or stock. So which is one of the reasons why I'm creating this channel. I'm going to be giving out everything that I've learned in my 3 years of trading out on this channel for free. So the only price you guys are going to be paying is the subscribe button that you're clicking on. It's a new channel. If you're watching this, you're one of the early viewer of this channel. So the best you can do for me now, outside of viewing this video, is subscribing. So click on the subscribe button and get ready. Don't worry, it's going to be a lovely ride. I'm going to make it as easy. If it's a New Year resolution thing, if it's trading cryptocurrencies, what you want to get into for the year, you're on the right spot. Don't worry, don't go nowhere. Just remain tight. Lucky team, you're welcome, and I'll see you in the subsequent video. Peace out.